I designed a contemporary art gallery, a Botanic Road, actually inside the park. So my idea was to create a sort of lantern in the park or a beacon of light. I was particularly interested in the style that Zaha Hadid used in the Beethoven concert hall in Germany. So then I also looked at more classic designers like Lloyd Wright, as well as his Solomon Guggenheim Art Museum in New York. They created art galleries that were like living pieces of art themselves. So I began conceptualizing using what are called bubble diagrams. I found these really important because you were able to justify everything that you did. It showed me how I could manipulate the flow of the gallery as well as the way that people would use it. So I was also inspired by the science fiction film Tron, where they use these strips of light, which you now see in the art galleries. So across horizontal and vertical planes of stripped light that really give the gallery a sense of being a beacon of light in the park. So I created the graphite sketch here and began conceptualizing on Trimble SketchUp. And I also used watercolor to think about how can I incorporate different materials into it. And then I rendered that raw 3D model. This is where I encountered a lot of issues, where I actually had to calculate mathematically where the peaks of the structure as well the triangular shapes would meet each other, and worked on the way that I could justify the layout like I did in my original bubble diagrams. I looked at the use of water and wood and stone, but I concluded that a carbon fiber material with an almost metallic finish on the outside was the best choice for the art gallery. And in the end, I felt it was a very successful project. It was a little ambitious for my first one. That took a lot of time. But I'd really advise, on that note, to current visual arts students, manage the project and the amount of time that you allocate to it. I'm still in year 12, so I did this in year 11. But at the moment I'm studying part-time at university with the Bachelor of Architectural Design while I do high school, and hopefully from there I'd then do a master's, become registered as an architect and practice.